friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can install Python on Windows 10 machine. So let's begin. So you can open any of your favorite browser. I'm just opening Chrome and then go to Google and type Python. And here you can see the first option, that is python.org, which is the official website. Click on it. Now it has taken me to python.org and here I have download option. I will be clicking on this option, and here current release of Python is Python 3.9.7. Just check out this note, Python 3.9 plus cannot be used on Windows 7 or earlier. So I have Windows 10 machine, I'm installing Python 3.9.7. So just click on this button. So it has asked me where you want to save, so I'm just taking desktop. That's my browser setting, therefore it has asked me. You can see download has started and download has completed. The exe was very small, so it has not taken more time. Just click on this to install it. Okay, run. Okay, so you can see it is showing me whether you want to install the default one or whether you want to customize it. So I'm going to select second option, and here it is showing me install launcher for all users. So whatever users on my desktop, they all will be getting this option. I'm marking on this option also because I want this to be added to my path variable, and then select this option. Now it is showing you different feature. Whatever you would like to install, you can select or deselect that. I'm selecting all the features because PIP I need for installing Python packages, as well as I need Python launcher, and rest of also I'm not unchecking. I'm keeping it checked only, and just click on next button. So it is showing you some of the advanced option also. Let's keep the default one, and unless you have any reason for changing the directory, don't change. Otherwise you can change by clicking on this browse button. Now just click on install. You can see setup is in progress. Okay, so I'm getting message setup was successful. Just click on close button. Let's go to start, and then you can see here Python ideally. You can use ideally as well as command prompt. So let me first show you through ideally. Okay, so you can see the font size is very small, so let me just increase the font size. Okay, so now here you can type your command and you can run the Python program. So I'm just typing print Sunita Rai semicolon. So you can see here you are getting the output. You can save this file by going to save as button. Wherever you want to save, you can save it. By default this is a folder where it saves. Okay, so I'm not saving this file. As well as if you want to create a separate file also, you can do that just by clicking new file. So you can type your program here also, save it and run. So print. And now to run this program, you can click on run, or you can press F5 also. So run module. So before running, it asks you to save the program. You just click on save button. So let me just save it on desktop. Hello. Okay, now you can see I'm getting output also. So this way also you can do Python programming. Now let me show you one more way, that is by going through command prompt. So in search box you can type CMD, and now here you can just type Python -- version to see the version of Python. So it is showing me Python 3.9.7, that is the latest version. So now if you want to run Python command, so first of all you just type Python, and now you can see now you are on Python screen. So here also you can type the command print welcome to my channel. Okay, so I'm getting output here also. So you can use ideally also as well as command prompt. Whatever you are comfortable you can use. I hope friends this video is going to help you for installing Python on Windows machine. Friends, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do it now. Also don't forget to hit on like button and share my video if you think so it is useful. Thank you friends for watching my video till end. See you in next video. Till that, bye bye and take care.